Welcome to BhenTech. If you want simple, clear, and practical tutorials, make sure to hit subscribe and join the BhenTech community. If you've watched my older videos, you probably noticed how messy and unattractive my room was, the same place where I film all my content. Honestly, I felt a little embarrassed about it, but fixing it was never easy. Most of my time is dedicated to my 2 kids. I'm the one who takes care of them every day and brings them to and from school. Because of that, I rarely had the time or the budget to improve this space. And we all know that once you start fixing one part of the house, more expenses always follow. But recently, I finally got the chance to change things. Instead of hiring someone, I decided to do everything myself to save money. Labor alone would normally cost around 800 to 1,000 pesos, and that's already a big help for our family budget. My goal wasn't to make it perfect or luxurious. I just wanted a cleaner and better background for my videos, something I could be proud of. Before, the ceiling had holes, and honestly, it didn't look good on camera. So I covered it using Sintra boards and stickers just to hide the damage and make it presentable. Doing this project myself saved me a lot of money. I only bought paint, plywood, nails, and a few basic materials. My father is a carpenter, so growing up, I learned a little about tools and materials. That small knowledge really helped me finish this project. The hardest part was installing the ceiling alone. There was no one to hold the materials while I worked, and it was really challenging. But I kept going and found ways to make it work. Instead of using a saw, I even used a cutter to cut the plywood, almost like cutting a Sintra board. It may not be perfect, but for me, this is more than just a room improvement. This is proof that with patience, effort, and determination, you can slowly improve things one step at a time. If you don't have a big budget yet, you can start little by little buying tools and materials from Shopee to improve your room or home. I started with the basics, like a hammer and a saw, then slowly added more tools so I could DIY my room makeover. When I finally had some time, I also bought paint. I chose Poison, and honestly, you can find almost everything on Shopee. What's nice about it is you can even receive YouTube vouchers when you check out through YouTube. I also got a drill, which is really useful for installing a wall TV, frames, and more, so you won't damage your wall compared to using concrete nails. Just watch the video. I kept it short so it won't be too long.
natapos na, hindi siya talaga ganung yung sobrang ganda. At least medyo presentable na itong ating kwarto kung saan tayo nagbi-video, no, nagba-vlog. Then ito na yung mga printing natin, no. Halos maliit lang kasi to. Walang masyadong space. Yan. Yan yung mga medal ng anak ko. Yan. Yan. Naka high honor tong anak ko ngayon. Kung isang taon siya. Yan. Ito yung computer ko. Ito wala akong mapag-light dyan kung saan. Yung heat press. Ito yung pang printer ko. Ito yung L3210. Matagal na to. Sira yung printer head. Gumagana yung scanner. Printer head lang to. Gagana to. Mag-o-okay to ulit pag napalitan ko na ang printer head. Ito yung L121 naka pigment, no, pansamantala lang, no, mahilig tayo kasi DIY laminating film. Lalagyan ko lang ng dyan para nakaganyan. Then yung G1010 natin okay pa rin. Yan. Yan yung ating mag press, heat press to, mga 11 years na to. Siguro yon mga 3 o 4 years na yung mag-press. Yan. Ito mga na to. Mga 3 or 4, no? 3 or 4 years, no? Ito mahigit 1 taon na. Hindi pa nagpapalit ng printer head. Ito medyo bago lang to. Wala pa ata 1 taon to. L121. Yan, ay yung logo natin, no? Yan, maganda na yung dingding. From bulok to medyo okay na, no? Kasi tinuturo ko din kasi yung maging practical, no? Huwag masyadong gastos na masyadong pagagandahin nyo. Tapos alam nyo naman yung sitwasyon ngayon, no? Tsaka mahirap din magbawi, no? Pag ginastusan mo, matagal din bawiin yung capital na ginamit mo. Yan. Yan, dalawa na ilaw na nilagay ko. Ito ay solar to. Sinabit ko lang muna yung ko dito kasi kung lalagay ko doon, kasi naka siya naka dalawang screen siya, nakakabit din siya sa computer. Yan. Ito mura lang tong mic na to. Then ito yung binlog ko na rin to, no? Pwede to dun sa tablet. Pwede rin dito sa smart TV, pwede rin sa computer. Basta meron lang Bluetooth, no? May Bluetooth lang diyan. Tapos yung smart TV, may mga built-in Bluetooth 'yan. Check nyo lang sa settings, search nyo yung device, no? I-on nyo lang. Pwedeng magamit yung etong maliit na keyboard. Ang partner nito yung mouse. Pwedeng magamit 'yan dito sa TV. Pwede rin sa computer, no? Yan. I-switch mo lang yan dyan, no? Yan. TV. Yan. Yan. So, ayan lang, no? Okay na yung ating background, no? Tapos, yung mga sabit-sabit ko na damit dyan, no? Yan, gumawa ako ng Ito, nakalagay ito sa taas. Instead na itapon ko, ginawa ko na lang cabinet. Kaya dito ko nilagay yung damit ko. Pero may damit, may rin kami din sa loob. Pero hindi ganun kaayos yung ko dyan, yung kwarto. Tsaka na lang pag may budget na, may extra budget. Kasi mas importante yung pangangailangan natin sa araw-araw. Yan, so yun lang, hanggang sa muli.